Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying immediate prerequisites and then act fast. Check the brightness control and power profile, set to 100% or high performance, because software limits often cause dimming. Inspect the display cable and connector. A loose HDMI or display port can drop luminance, so reseat or swap cables. Also, check device temperature and battery percentage, since thermal or low battery management can reduce backlight. Once done, proceed to software adjustments and driver checks for the next stage. Now you run the complex middle steps to isolate root causes. Update or roll back the GPU/display driver and, if needed, perform a clean install. Drivers often change backlight behavior. Disable adaptive brightness, automatic dimming, and any app overlays that control color because they override manual settings. Calibrate color, gamma, and contrast using the OS tool or a trusted third-party app to ensure perceptual brightness matches numerical values. If you see frame, finish by validating both software changes and hardware integrity. Test with an external monitor or connect the suspect display to another device to determine whether the panel, cable, or source is at fault. Once confirmed, replace or repair the failing part. Inspect for backlight inverter faults or OLED aging. Replacing the panel or inverter is often required when brightness drops irreversibly. Make a restore point and document working settings. Troubleshooting tip. If brightness still fluctuates, boot from a live USB to rule out OS-level interference. This isolates hardware reliably.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.